Hello, everyone. This is Paul Harvey from TradeAlgo, where we harness the power of advanced computing and elite artificial intelligence to bring you an edge in the stock market. Our focus is dark pools, the hidden trading arenas of big banks, institutions, and hedge funds. These are places where significant trades happen away from public eyes, often leaving retail traders scrambling, but not anymore. Here at TradeAlgo, we are all about leveling the playing field. Our cutting edge AI sifts through massive amounts of data in real time, monitoring the large, medium, and small cap stocks of the stock market in both the trending up and trending down sides of the equation. Let's go ahead and dive right into TradeAlgo's top picks of the day. So popping up on top of TradeAlgo's dashboard, we have Sirius XM, SIRI, popping up today, moving over 11%. Now, when a $13 billion stock moves 11%, you can see the reason is it had over 228% institutional dark pool activity. Now, seeing Siri on the dashboard and what time you would have noticed that TradeAlgo picked up Siri and put it on top of the dashboard couldn't have been easier when you go and see here that TradeAlgo had Siri recognized Sirius XM with almost double the amount of institutional activity that it's normally going to get. It picked it up at 9:35 Eastern Standard Time. Going and following along with Sirius XM since 9:35 Eastern Time, it couldn't have been easier. TradeAlgo picked up $183 million in institutional trending down transactions are trending up transactions. On a 7-day average, they're only doing about 80 million. Going and following along with the call options on SiriusXM could not have been easier. Going and taking the $3.50 call here for over 100% return. Now, SiriusXM was also on the TradeAlgo dashboard yesterday, or excuse me, Tuesday before the 4th of July. Going and following along just today, and utilizing this technology would have been phenomenal, totaling out a 373% return just following along with when TradeAlgo picked it up in the first place. Utilizing this technology could not have been easier for TradeAlgo clients going and following along with SiriusXM since the day TradeAlgo picked it up on the 3rd. Going back to the dashboard, we're going to look at another opportunity that you could have played out today, going and following along with Meta. Meta having over 311% institutional trending up through dark pools. TradeAlgo picking this up now when a massive stock, a $1.3 trillion stock, moves 5% in a single day. That's where you want to be, and you want to know about it as early as possible. Being a TradeAlgo member, you would have seen Meta pop up here on the dashboard as early as 9:56 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. Going and following along with Meta today, we see a massive spike throughout the entire day, but knowing at just under 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you would have been able to see here that TradeAlgo had picked up $6.46 billion in institutional transactions. On a 7-day average, they're only doing about 2.8 billion. Going and utilizing this technology and following along with what TradeAlgo is going to say, just take say for example, you took the $545 call option, going and utilizing this information since 10 in the morning here at TradeAlgo, you would have been able to lock and load a 352% return on the options trade. Now, let's just say you would have played it out later and just taken a smaller amount of time. Still going in here and making a great 50% return on the option is a great way to close out your week. Ladies and gentlemen, stop getting your information too slow. Start utilizing the next generation of technology to give yourself an edge in the market. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.